Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Daikon Radish leaves mixed rice. My son has been to daikon digging from his kindergarten and we got a lot of fresh leaves. So I decided to mix in rice. It's simple yet delicious. Kids loved it and they ate really well. I have more daikon recipe ideas on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Make sure you have cooked rice or start cooking rice before you cut the leaves. Wash and cut daikon leaves into small pieces. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Cook daikon leaves until coated with oil. Add Chirimenjako, small dried sardines, 2 tablespoons of toasted white sesame seeds. Season with 4 tablespoons of Mentsuyu soup base. You can use any brand. I'm using Mizkan Shiro Dashi, but regular dark Mentsuyu is okay. Finish off with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. Mix into cooked rice. And now it's done! Quick, easy, yet delicious. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more daikon recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
いただきます。フォークでこれ食べるのか。美味しいね。これ学校でも出てくる。
何が？そういうご飯？へえ。
この美味しいもの。水にのせてほしい。たまにね、ご飯食べてね、そのまま牛乳飲むと美味しい。美味しい。チャンネル登録お願いします。ヒットボタン押してね。バイバイ。100万人お願いします。バイバイ。ダシトゥダスのエノワソホンベスウェイ。
混ぜて。完成ですね。いい感じにできましたね。オッケーオッケー。暑いから危ないからさ、無理かもしれないよ。ママちょっと急いでるからさ、どちらかというと邪魔しないでどっかどいててくれた方が助かるわ。よし。これで完成ね、ご飯はね。よし。飛んだ。踏んだらいいな。はい、じゃあこんな感じで完成です。ちょっと。TJもお金集めて新しくしてね。